Hello everyone, a lot of people cook cauliflower at home and wonder why it doesn't taste as good as it does in restaurants. So, what exactly are we doing wrong? Today the chef will teach you detailed techniques. We need to choose organic green-stemmed cauliflower, as this type has a crisper texture when stir-fried. First, use scissors to cut the cauliflower apart. Then cut it into evenly sized small florets. It's best to use scissors for this, as cutting with scissors prevents the cauliflower from breaking into crumbs. After cutting, put the florets into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to the cauliflower, then pour in plenty of water. Use your hands to wash it gently, don't squeeze too hard, or the cauliflower will break apart easily. Once it's clean, take it out and drain off the excess water. Next, prepare some ingredients. Slice 3 green chili peppers into rings and set them aside on a plate. Slice 4 bird's eye chilies into rings as well. Crush a few cloves of garlic to release more flavor, then chop them into small pieces. Take 1 stalk of garlic sprout, lightly smash it with a knife, then cut it diagonally into sections. Prepare about 50 cents worth of pork belly and cut it into thick, thin slices. After slicing, place the pork belly on a plate. Add a generous amount of oil to the pan and heat it up. Heat the oil until it's about 60% hot, then add the cauliflower. Gently stir it with a spoon to ensure the cauliflower heats evenly. Since cauliflower contains a lot of water, it won't absorb oil. This way, the fried cauliflower tastes more fragrant and isn't greasy at all. Fry it for just 10 seconds and it's ready. Alright, pour it out to drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the pan, then add the pork belly. Stir-fry the pork belly until it's fragrant and the fat has rendered out. Cook until the surface of the pork belly turns slightly yellow, then it's ready. Next, add 2 spoonfuls of dry pot sauce and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add the prepared aromatics and continue stir-frying until fragrant. Then add the fried cauliflower. Turn the heat to high and stir-fry a few times. Now start seasoning by adding a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a little sugar to enhance the flavor, a bit of oyster sauce, an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, a dash of steamed fish soy sauce, and pour some cooking wine around the edge of the pan. Stir-fry on high heat for 20 seconds to bring out the aroma and WOK-KISSED. Finally, add the garlic leaves and stir-fry evenly, then it's done. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. Cauliflower cooked this way is crisp and tender, fragrant with a hint of spiciness, perfect with both drinks and rice. Everyone who tries it will praise you as a master chef. The method is very simple, so if you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.